Welcome to the new episode of Technology and Electronics News. I'm your host, Pavel Yankovich, bringing you the latest updates from the world of hardware. Let's explore together. Let's start with the EU. Dr. Stefan Finkbeiner, CEO of Bosch Sensortec, has been appointed as the new chair of the CHIPS Joint Undertaking Governing Board. Meanwhile, talk of a CHIPS Act 2.0 is heating up. Industry leaders, including René Schroeder of the European Semiconductor Industry Association, are urging the EU to include legacy chips alongside cutting-edge technologies like quantum computing. Legacy chips power key sectors like automotive and manufacturing, vital for Europe's competitiveness as they chase future innovations. Adding to the mix, the EU is reportedly planning to compel Chinese companies to transfer technology to European firms in exchange for subsidies. This move reflects Europe's emphasis on technological sovereignty and its determination to compete on a global scale. At Wolfspeed, Gregg Lowe is stepping down as CEO after a 7-year tenure that saw the company transition into a leader in silicon carbide technology. The decision comes as Wolfspeed faces significant restructuring efforts to lower costs and address profitability concerns. The board has defined this as a strategic moment for new leadership to drive the next phase of company's growth. Meanwhile, Peter Carlsson, co-founder and CEO of Northvolt, has resigned in the middle of the company's bankruptcy filing. Northvolt, once celebrated as Europe's EV battery champion, has struggled with overspending, production issues, and slump in electric vehicles demand. Key contract cancellations and financial troubles forced the company to seek bankruptcy protection. Microsoft has unveiled Azure Integrated HSM, a next-generation hardware security module designed to enhance cryptographic key protection while reducing latency. Unlike traditional network-based HSMs, Azure Integrated HSM is server-local, eliminating network delays and ensuring keys remain securely isolated in hardware, even during use. Meeting FIPS 140-3 Level 3 standards, it offers strong tamper protection and high-speed cryptographic operations, making it ideal for sensitive workloads. Starting next year, Azure Integrated HSM will be deployed across all new Azure servers. The DRAM memory market is set for a tough 2025, with prices for DDR4 and LPDDR4X already falling due to high inventory and weak demand, says TrendForce. Originally, prices were expected to rise, driven by HBM capacity expansions from the top 3 suppliers. But now a steep decline is forecast for the first half of 2025. Demand for advanced products like DDR5 remains uncertain, while oversupply issues are worsened by shifts from NAND and DRAM production and rapid expansion by Chinese suppliers. TrendForce warns that weak consumer electronics demand and excess inventory could further delay market recovery. Infineon and Siemens are collaborating to integrate the Oryx TC4X microcontroller with Siemens AutoStar-based Capital Embedded AR Classic software for next-generation software-defined vehicles. This partnership enables production-ready electronic control unit software, powering advanced features like advanced driver assistance systems, electrification, and cybersecurity. The Oryx TC4X microcontroller, critical for systems like battery management and radar, supports AI, virtualization, and functional safety. Supermicro faces mounting challenges, including the risk of Nasdaq delisting after missing financial filing deadlines. On November 18th, it submitted a compliance plan seeking an extension until February 2025 and appointed BDO USA as its new auditor after Ernst & Young resigned over governance concerns. Elon Musk's XAI also shifted a $6 billion AI server order to Dell, following a Department of Justice probe into Supermicro's accounting practices, which had already caused a 35% stock drop earlier this year. With shares down 24% in 2024 and an 82% drop since March, the listing could force the company to repay $1.7 billion in notes, posing a severe financial threat. DigiKey is optimistic about an upturn in the electronics market, with President Dave Doherty mentioning economic stimulation efforts in the US and Germany as key drivers. "We've been at the bottom for 6 months, but shipments and revenue are rising," he said at Electronica during the interview for Electronics Weekly. In 2024, DigiKey added 50,000 new customers globally, hitting its highest EMEA customer count in October. The company focuses now on supporting designers with development boards for specialized applications, catering to emerging players in areas like AI at the edge and hybrid vehicle innovation. Those are the main updates we have for today. Thank you for joining us on Technology and Electronics News. See you in the next episode.